We are going to redo this driveway with porcelain pavers. Combination of 8x8s, 4x8s and 4x4s. The porcelain I finished to look like an old porphyry stone. We are going to pave the driveway and the front walkway. It will be redesigned. The new porcelain pavers will look very nice with this old style of home. It's going to be one of the few porcelain pavers driveways installed on Long Island. The finished product is going to be very beautiful and impressive. The porcelain paver driveway installation is completed. This job was installed in Rockville Center, New York. We utilized porcelain pavers, 2-inch thick, in a porphyry color. This porcelain has a very rustic finish made to resemble a natural stone, and is in 3 different size combinations: 8x8s, 4x4s and 4x8s, 2 inches thick. For the border we utilized the Belgium paver. These are selected from the Gappsi natural stone collection. The Belgian pavers is a grayish limestone, split face and tumbled. It's actually a very rich silver color and many shades of grays make up the color of the borders. We also outline the edge of the steps and the risers. This stone combination fits perfectly with the style and color of the house. This is the latest porcelain driveway paver installation, supplied and installed by Gappsi in Rockville Center, Long Island, New York.